pond. I wonder what lives here.
I can see frogs, birds, and bugs.
I wonder what's living down inside the pond.
Let's take a look under the water and find out.
Wow, I've never seen the bottom of a pond before. There's so many amazing plants and animals. Let's make our own pond.
Great idea. Let's start our pond by adding rocks. Tap on the book if you want to hear about the things you can add to the pond.
Great! Now there's lots of places for the animals to live and hide. Let's keep going.
Underwater plants. Floating plants.
Ooh! Now we get to pick a plant to add.
You can always use my book to hear more information.
Underwater plants will help feed lots of pond animals. I wonder who will eat them. Let's look around. Wow, this is so interesting. Let's keep going. Now we get to add animals to the pond. Ponds need lots of different plants and animals to stay healthy. Let's pick one and see what happens.
Worm. Snail.
Snails have shells to protect them. I wonder what other creatures have shells.
I noticed that each time we choose something, the pond changes.
Look, we're going up. I wonder what we'll discover.
Different creatures live here, in the middle of the pond.
I wonder what they are and what they eat.
Mayfly larva. Tadpole.
Wow, I wonder how many tadpoles are here. Count how many you see. We could take a closer look at the plants and animals in the pond with this magnifying glass.
It looks like tadpole bodies are just a head and tail. I wonder how the body parts will change as it grows into a frog. Mayfly larva. Mosquito larva.
Young mosquitoes are very tiny. I wonder which is smaller, these or the little wiggly worms.
Mayfly larva. Caddisfly larva.
Mayflies have 3 tails that make them easy to spot. How many mayflies do you see?
I can see hairy parts on the side of the mayfly larva. These are gills that help it breathe underwater.
This frog is the grown-up of the tadpole we added.
I noticed that this frog has green skin, covered in spots. Do you think that helps it hide?
Now we're near the pond's surface. I wonder how the animals will be different here.
Northern pike. Red-spotted newt.
Whoa, look at the size of them.
Red-spotted newt. Pumpkin seed sunfish.
These These little fish have lots of fun colors. What do you notice about the colors of the animals in the pond?
I notice the pumpkin seed fish has a bright and colorful pattern. I wonder if that helps them find each other. Red spotted newt. Spotted bass.
Look carefully to spot the differences between the pond creatures. What do you notice about the animal sizes? This mayfly is the grown-up of the larva we added. We've reached the top.
I wonder what new things we'll discover. Heron. Kingfisher. The great blue heron mostly eats small fish. Mallard duck. Painted turtle.
Mallard ducks like the pond for bathing and finding food.
Kingfisher. Painted turtle.
The painted turtle's shell protects it. Can you describe the pattern on its shell? We finished our pond.
That was so cool. Let's keep exploring.
You can keep exploring, or you can make another pond. Do you want to start a new pond?